Do you want to love beets? I mean, aren't they so beautiful? But then they sit in your fridge and end up looking like this, right? Well,
No.
I'm going to show you my favorite way to cook beets and their greens that will wow your potluck friends and have your family asking for more.
Yummy.
Let's get to it. First, slice off your beet greens. Next, go ahead and trim off those rough parts, and no need to peel these babies. We're going to keep it easy. Now slice them as even as you can, about a 1/4 inch thick. Grab a glass dish or a sheet pan and lay out your beets so they're flat and not overlapping. Give them a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle with herbes de Provence or a mix of basil, oregano, and thyme. Give them a sprinkle of salt and then flip so they're nice and coated with all the good stuff. We're going to bake these at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes until you can give them an easy poke. Meanwhile, let's cook up those greens. Heat up a pan on low to medium heat. Give it a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and add 1 clove of chopped garlic. Makes the house smell so good. Add a generous stack of chopped beet greens and give them a good stir. Hey, get over here. Sprinkle with salt, and then add a 1/4 cup of water and cover with a lid. And then we're going to steam these for about 2 minutes. And then stir them again. Add a squeeze of lemon, and then stir again, and then go ahead and turn off your heat. Your beets are ready when they're nice and tender. So plate them up and enjoy.